we recently got a little Coleman propane barbecue or grill. It's not a stovetop. This actually is a little grill top, and there's a flame right here. I have it going. You can feel it getting pretty hot here. And it's a push to start. So once you crank the propane up, you just click it once or twice and it lights up, and then you adjust it to where you want it to be. It has a little dial here, and you can see it's using a regular 1 pound propane bottle from Walmart. They're not too pricey. It was like $7 for 2 of them, and the price fluctuates. What we decided to do today was come up here and put this upside down for a second. Just hold it in place until I get the salmon ready. And we're going to cook some salmon. So let me open this up. There we go. A little bit windier than I anticipated. There we go. There we go. A little bit of water. I'm just going to put a little bit of water in the aluminum foil itself to facilitate some steaming action. There we go. So this is the first time we've used this little grill. We'll see how it cooks. We'll come back and check it in a few minutes. It's been about 10 minutes, and we're just about ready to check to see how the salmon's been doing. So, pull this off. There we go. Well, what do you think? Let's see. Oh yeah. Look at that. Literally just melted in my mouth. He's maybe about a minute or two right in the middle. I'm gonna crank it up a little bit higher and put the cover back on it with a little bit more spice right here where I opened it up, and we'll check it back in just a few minutes. Well, I can hear it sizzling. I just turned off the gas, and I am pretty sure, oh yeah. Just gonna fold this. Yeah. So we got extremely white on that end, and then melt in your mouth butter on this end. You don't even have to chew it, you just swallow. So I'm gonna say Coleman BBQ with 1 pound propane cylinders from Walmart works. Heavy duty Reynolds wrap works. And Walmart salmon wins.